Okay then guys, welcome back again to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about making sure that your sound, that the music on your iPhone is louder. What are the things that you can do about it? Now there are two approaches. The first one is regarding hardware, the second one is regarding software. So a few things could go wrong when it comes to your hardware. Essentially, the speakers, either at the top or at the bottom, might be faulty for whatever reason. In this case, no amount of software tweaking is going to help you solve the issue, obviously. However, if you can see that your iPhone is literally dirty, make sure to perform some basic cleaning. Just follow the Apple guidelines to make sure that you're not like breaking the device or anything, but just make sure to clean it beforehand, especially around the speaker area, to see if anything can be done about it. So obviously, if your speakers are blocked, if you have a case which blocks the sound, try to just remove it from the case and just play around with the hardware side of your iPhone to see if anything changes. Besides that, when it comes to hardware or some practical solutions, you can put your iPhone into a bowl, literally put it in a bowl, and the sound is going to reverb in a way which will essentially make the sound louder. It's not like really making it louder from the iPhone, you just notice it and like hear it loudly. So yeah, this is like a physics way to go about it. But naturally, when it comes to software, there are some things which you can do. Naturally, at first, try to make the volume as loud as possible using the volume buttons. If for whatever reason it does not work, chances are that the buttons are set to change the ringer instead of the volume. So just go to the settings, find the sounds and haptics, and you will probably want to have the feature called change with buttons. You wouldn't want to have it turned off, because right now when it is enabled, the volume buttons change the ringtone, the ringer, right? Not the volume. So I like to keep it turned off, meaning that the volume buttons right here just raise the actual volume. So yeah, once you have it all the way to the top, you also want to perform some other changes still inside of these sounds and haptics. You might want to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on headphone safety, because if you use AirPods or any other headphones, you might want to have the feature called reduce loud audio enabled. If you do have it, then good. You're doing good stuff for your ears. But in case you want to make sure that the audio is as loud as possible, you would probably want to have it turned off, meaning that the loudest sounds can still go through. So these are essentially all of the ways how you can tweak the audio, how you can raise the volume. Besides that, you can also just play with the settings of individual music apps. For example, YouTube or Apple Music or stuff like that. They usually have their own sound settings, so play around with these, but I cannot go that specific and cover every single app in this video. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out until then.